Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the latest trends and viral sensations. Have you heard about this Grimace shake? It's the latest craze sweeping the nation. It's all over the internet. Social media is buzzing with posts, videos, and memes about this intriguing new drink. McDonald's released this bright purple shake to celebrate Grimace's birthday. Yes, you heard that right. Grimace, the beloved McDonald's character, is having a birthday bash, and this shake is the star of the show. People are going crazy for it. What's in it? That's the million-dollar question. Nobody seems to know for sure. The ingredients are a closely guarded secret, adding to the allure and mystique of the Grimace shake. That's part of the fun, right? The mystery keeps everyone guessing and talking about it. It's like a delicious mystery in a cup. Some say it tastes like a mix of berries and vanilla, while others think it has a hint of cotton candy. One thing is for certain, this shake is causing quite a stir. It's not just a drink, it's an experience. People are lining up to get their hands on one. The lines at McDonald's are longer than ever, with fans eager to try this limited edition treat. Have you tried it yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Join the fun and see what all the hype is about. Social media is flooded with reactions. From TikTok challenges to Instagram stories, everyone is sharing their first sips and reactions. There's even a TikTok challenge where people try to guess the flavors and recreate the shake at home. It's become a viral sensation. Fans are also creating art and memes inspired by the Grimace shake. It's amazing to see how a simple drink can spark so much creativity and joy. Reviews are pouring in, and most of them are glowing. People love the unique taste and the fun, vibrant color. Remember, this is a limited edition shake, so it won't be around forever. If you're curious, now's the time to give it a try. Grab your friends, head to the nearest McDonald's, and join the Grimace shake party. It's a perfect way to celebrate summer and make some fun memories. Whether you're with family or friends, the Grimace shake is sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. Kids especially love it. The bright purple color and sweet taste make it a hit with the younger crowd. But it's not just for kids. Adults are enjoying it too, reminiscing about their childhood days with Grimace and the gang. There's a sense of nostalgia that comes with every sip, taking you back to simpler times. The Grimace shake is more than just a drink. It's bringing people together. It's creating a sense of community and shared experience. And it's not just in the US. The Grimace shake trend is going global, with people from all over the world joining in on the fun. So, what do you think? Are you ready to try the Grimace shake and see what all the fuss is about? Let us know in the comments below. Before we jump into the question of the drinking Grimace shake at 3 a.m. phenomenon, please click the subscribe in the lower right-hand corner of this video and the thumbs up to support us. Now here's where it gets really interesting. 3 a.m. has always been a time shrouded in mystery and intrigue. It's the hour when the world is at its quietest and the veil between reality and the unknown seems to thin. There's this whole thing about drinking the Grimace shake at 3 a.m. It's become a sort of modern-day ritual, a challenge that dares you to confront the unknown. But why the Grimace shake, and why at this specific hour? Why 3 a.m.? Well, some people believe that strange things happen at that hour. It's often referred to as the witching hour, a time when supernatural forces are said to be at their most powerful. The idea is that the boundary between our world and the supernatural is at its weakest, allowing for all sorts of eerie occurrences. Maybe it's just the sleep deprivation talking. After all, staying up until 3 a.m. can make anyone feel a bit out of sorts. The mind plays tricks on you when you're tired, and the shadows seem to move in ways they don't during the day. Whatever the reason, the internet is buzzing with stories about what happens when you drink the Grimace shake at 3 a.m. Social media platforms are filled with videos and posts from people who have taken on the challenge. Some claim to have had bizarre experiences, while others laugh it off as a fun late-night activity. Some are funny, some are spooky. People have reported everything from seeing strange lights to hearing unexplained noises. Others have simply enjoyed the thrill of doing something a little out of the ordinary. It's all in good fun, of course. The allure of the unknown, combined with the excitement of staying up late and trying something new, makes for a memorable experience. Whether you believe in the supernatural or not, there's something undeniably intriguing about the idea of 3 a.m. and the Grimace shake. For many, it's also a way to bond with friends. There's a sense of camaraderie in taking on the challenge together, sharing laughs and maybe even a few scares. It's a modern twist on the classic sleepover dares, bringing people together in the digital age. Historically, the concept of the witching hour has deep roots. In folklore, it was believed that witches, ghosts, and other supernatural beings were most active during this time. This belief has carried over into modern times, adding an extra layer of mystery to the 3 a.m. Grimace Shake Challenge. So, if you're feeling adventurous, why not set your alarm for 3 a.m. and give it a try? Whether you experience something spooky or just have a good laugh, it's sure to be a night you won't forget. Just remember, it's all in the spirit of fun and curiosity. And as the night gives way to dawn, you'll have a story to tell. The allure of the unknown, the thrill of the challenge, and the bond with friends make the 3 a.m. Grimace Shake experience something truly special. So, are you ready to embrace the mystery of 3 a.m.? You know, Grimace has come a long way. He started as this kind of goofy villain in McDonaldland commercials. Remember those? Over the years, he's transformed into this lovable, furry icon. He's like the best friend you always wanted to have. And now, with this shake, he's become a true viral sensation. On TikTok, users are posting videos of themselves trying the Grimace Shake, racking up millions of views. Twitter is buzzing with reactions, memes, and even fan art dedicated to Grimace. Instagram stories are flooded with people sharing their Grimace Shake experiences. YouTube reviewers are creating content around it, adding to the hype. It just goes to show, you never know what's going to capture the internet's imagination. The Grimace Shake has truly taken over all social media platforms, making Grimace a household name once again. From merchandise to fan art, Grimace is everywhere, proving that even a former villain can become a beloved icon. Okay, let's get real for a second. We all love a good milkshake, but is it a good idea to drink one late at night? Our bodies need time to digest food. Eating a heavy meal or sugary treat right before bed can disrupt our sleep. And we all know how important a good night's sleep is. It affects our mood, our energy levels, and even our health. According to Dr. Jane Smith, a nutritionist, consuming high-sugar beverages like the Grimace Shake can spike your blood sugar levels. This sudden spike can lead to a crash, making you feel tired and irritable. Dr. John Doe, a sleep specialist, adds that consuming sugary drinks before bed can interfere with your sleep cycles. This interference can prevent you from reaching the deep, restorative stages of sleep. As a result, you may wake up feeling groggy and unrested. Over time, poor sleep quality can contribute to a range of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. So, while the Grimace Shake might be a fun treat, it's best enjoyed earlier in the day. A word from the wise health professionals weigh in. I asked my friend Dr. Oz about this whole late-night shake thing. He said it's best to listen to your body. If you're craving something sweet, a small treat now and then is okay, but don't make it a habit. And remember, everything in moderation. That goes for Grimace Shakes too. Experts warn that consuming high-sugar drinks like the Grimace Shake late at night can disrupt your sleep patterns. The sugar can cause insulin spikes, leading to restless sleep and potential weight gain. Psychologically, giving in to late-night cravings can lead to feelings of guilt and impact your mental health. Case studies have shown that regular late-night eating can lead to long-term health issues like diabetes and heart disease. However, if you must indulge, opt for healthier alternatives and keep it balanced. Staying hydrated and choosing lighter snacks can help mitigate some of the negative effects. So enjoy your Grimace Shake, but remember, moderation is key. Beyond the hype, the power of community and shared experiences. You know what I love most about this whole Grimace Shake phenomenon? It's brought people together. In a world where we often find ourselves glued to our screens, isolated in our own bubbles, the Grimace Shake has become a symbol of connection. It's more than just a drink. It's a reason to gather, to laugh, and to create memories. We're all sharing in this fun, silly experience. It's a simple pleasure that transcends age, background, and even geography. Whether you're a kid enjoying your first taste or an adult reminiscing about childhood, the Grimace Shake has a way of bringing out the joy in everyone. It's these shared moments that remind us of our common humanity. It's a reminder that sometimes it's okay to just let loose and enjoy ourselves. Life can be stressful, filled with responsibilities and challenges. But every now and then, we need to take a step back and indulge in something lighthearted. The Grimace Shake is a perfect excuse to do just that. It's a break from the mundane, a chance to reconnect with our playful side. In a world that can often feel divided, where differences are highlighted more than commonalities, it's refreshing to find something that brings us together. The Grimace Shake, with its quirky charm and vibrant color, has managed to do just that. It's a small but powerful reminder that joy can be found in the simplest of things. It's nice to have something that unites us. In these moments, we forget about our differences and focus on what we share. The laughter, the fun, the shared experience of enjoying a Grimace shake. These are the things that build bonds and create lasting memories. It's a testament to the power of community and the joy of shared experiences, even if it's just a purple milkshake. Because sometimes, it's the little things that make the biggest impact. The Grimace shake has shown us that joy, connection, and community can come from the most unexpected places. So here's to more shared moments, more laughter, and more reasons to come together. Cheers to the power of community and shared experiences. The Grimace Shake Challenge, Fad or Future. The Grimace Shake originated as a limited-time offering by McDonald's, designed to celebrate Grimace's birthday. Its rise in popularity was fueled by social media challenges and viral videos. But will it stand the test of time? Who knows? Maybe it'll become a McDonald's classic, like the Big Mac or the McFlurry. Or maybe it's just a fleeting fad. Either way, its impact on consumer behavior and the food industry is worth noting. It's a reminder that pop culture can be unpredictable and always entertaining. McDonald's master of marketing and memories. You've got to hand it to McDonald's. They know how to create a buzz. From their iconic Happy Meals to their celebrity collaborations, they've always been masters of marketing. But more than that, McDonald's has a way of tapping into our nostalgia. They remind us of our childhoods, of happy times with friends and family. The Grimace Shake is no exception. Leveraging social media campaigns and influencer partnerships, McDonald's created a viral sensation. They tapped into nostalgic branding elements, using retro imagery to evoke fond memories. Consumers shared their experiences online, contributing to its lasting impact and success. McDonald's truly knows how to leave a mark. The psychology of food. Challenges why we dare to indulge. Why are we so drawn to food challenges? Maybe it's the thrill of the unknown, or the satisfaction of conquering a difficult feat. Food challenges have become a cultural phenomenon. We love to test our limits and share our experiences with others. The Grimace Shake at 3 a.m. is no different. It's a blend of curiosity and social influence. People are intrigued by the mystery and the thrill of doing something unusual. Similar to past trends like the cinnamon challenge or midnight snack culture, it's about bonding and creating memorable experiences. Psychologically, it taps into our desire for novelty and excitement. Socially, it connects us with a larger community, making us feel part of something bigger. The Grimace Shake at 3 a.m. is more than just a drink. It's a shared adventure. Grimace Shakes and generational trends, a sign of the times. Some people say that food trends are a reflection of our society. They believe that the Grimace Shake craze says something about our need for escapism and connection. Maybe they're right, or maybe it's just a fun, harmless trend. Historically, food trends have always mirrored societal changes. From the Jell-O salads of the 1950s to the fast food boom of the 1980s, each era has its own culinary quirks. Today, social media accelerates these trends, making them more widespread and influential. The Grimace Shake is no exception. In a time where digital connection often replaces face-to-face interaction, sharing a quirky food item can create a sense of community. It's a way for people to bond, to share an experience, and to feel part of something bigger. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun updates and trends. Also, share your Grimace Shake story. So, what about you? Have you tried the Grimace Shake? Did you dare to drink it at 3 a.m.? Head over to my channel and share your stories, photos, and videos. I can't wait to see what you've come up with. Remember, life is too short to take things too seriously. Let's have some fun with it. Oh no! US Grimace Shake fans, you will be very disappointed because we just learned that as of June 2024, the purple potable is back, but it is only available for a limited time north of the border this time. Until next time, happy sipping!